guys, here is Ansh and today here's my another video in which I'm gonna make a review of my t-shirts which I ordered from Vistaprint. So let's go to our box and check out my t-shirts. So guys, let's check out about the t-shirt. So here I have ordered this from Vistaprint and it is delivered by Blue Dart. As you can see here, it is about 600 rupees. So I have ordered two t-shirts. So let's see how the t-shirts. So actually I've ordered two t-shirts. One is this and one is this. Let's open it. See, here it is. YouTube, my URL, my logo and my name. And the other t-shirt which I have ordered is, it is not of mine, it is someone else. So here it is. I have ordered a black polyester t-shirt. This cost about 300 rupees of one t-shirt. It is pure polyester and the printing is almost good, but not that much which comes in white t-shirt print. So it is good, and let's see how it looks when I wear it. So guys, here's my t-shirt. You can see my name, logo, URL and YouTube logo. So this one is a black polyester t-shirt which come of 300 rupees on Vistaprint, as you have seen on the box. So if you want to order it, you may order it from Vistaprint. Delivery is free, and it is a good t-shirt. Quality is good, but the printing quality is not that much good, which come in white color polyester t-shirt. So comment down below how's my t-shirt, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, share this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.